Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and removing the battery so you won't short anything. This prevents damage. Once done, flip the machine and unlock the rear battery latch. Lift the battery out and set it aside. Now find the small keyboard retention clips at the hinge area and clear the palm rest gap. Use a small Phillips #0 to remove visible screws and have a plastic spudger ready to gently pry the keyboard tabs. Do this carefully to avoid snapping plastic. Open the lid roughly 120 degrees, then push the keyboard top edge toward the screen to free the front tabs. This motion reduces stress on the clips. Lift the front edge about 1/2 inch, just enough to access the connector area. Avoid pulling hard because the ribbon cable is delicate. Flip the keyboard up slowly to expose the ZIF connector, then lift its metal clasp and slide the ribbon cable out. Once disconnected, remove keyboard retainers and set the keyboard aside. To finish, align the ribbon cable straight into the ZIF socket and close the metal clasp. This secures the signal path. Seat the keyboard into the front clips, press down until it snaps, and reinstall any screws you removed. Replace the battery, power on, and test keys in BIOS or your OS keyboard tester to confirm function. If a key fails, power down, reseat the cable, inspect for bent pins or dirt, and try a known good keyboard to isolate whether it's cable, keyboard, or motherboard related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.